I have a very exciting unboxing today. So I finally ordered a hiking backpack. I've wanted one for months, and I finally got my tax return, so I figured I'd treat myself. So I picked out a backpack that I liked, and it was on sale. This is budget gear. It was $29.99. So I don't have the highest expectations, but people said it had good reviews. People were saying like they were surprised, like, oh, it was better than I thought. And then there's also a couple other like camping things in here. All right, so excited. Snake. Right. Okay. All right. Well, before I get the backpack, we got a straw filter. I can drink water straight from the river. How cool is that? And it comes with a lanyard. It's handy dandy. Because I would like to go backpacking. Something that has always concerned me about the idea of backpacking is the number 2 situation. So I got this. It's a, what is it? A portable bidet. So let's take a look at that. Oh, she's bigger than I thought actually, but it comes with a little case so you can hang it from the backpack. I love it. This is great. And you don't just have to use it in the woods. You can bring it in the bathroom at home. Okay, now let's get to the backpack. I got a blue one because my favorite color. It feels hefty. Alright. Look, see, it's got all these like straps and stuff, like things to hook things onto, like, look, and it's got a waist thing. Okay, let's try it on. It's got a whistle. That's good in case someone tries to attack me. That's neat. What a great feature. Gotta hope it fits comfortably. Oh. That's okay. This is great. That provides so much support. The waist thing. Interesting. I do think I might be a little taller than this is intended for, because I don't quite love where this part is. You know, it feels like it should be down here. Cool. Cool beans. Do I look cool? Really am ready for an adventure. Oh no. It feels, I don't know. We'll see how it feels after I fill it with stuff, which I'm gonna do in the morning, which is now. Okay, it's in the morning. It's time to fill this up. Here's my other backpack. I stole it from my boyfriend, and now it's time for him to get it back. Ugh, that's heavy. Water, bag, oh my god. I want to decide where to put everything. Let's start with this little pouch. I have a little pouch here. My bathroom pouch. It's got a tampon, some floss, toilet brush, floss, a toothbrush, toothpaste, hand sanitizer, some napkins, and some wet wipes. Okay. lot of stuff in here. Bug spray, more hand sanitizer. I'm never gonna be able to find anything though. Notebook and pen. If I get lost in the wilderness, I need to keep track of my time. Oh man, I can't zip it. Multi-tool, pen. Aww. Fork. First aid kit, poncho, gloves that are actually for a child, umbrella, water that's not for drinking, another first aid kit, a torch that needs more butane, a little scrap of paper, and a light that needs to be charged. It's a solar light, so I'll put that in the sun. So we got some cardboard to burn. This is a plastic tablecloth, which I figure could come in handy potentially if I need coverage or something, or an emergency blanket, I guess. That in the back. And oh, another journal. Multi-tool, knife. Multi-tool. I'm gonna put it here because then I'll have easy access to it in case I need it for self-defense. Now for the stuff that's clipped on, we've got, it's kind of hard to get off. This is my stand to pee funnel. Collapsible bowl that doesn't actually stay collapsed. So, goodbye black backpack and hello blue backpack. Poncho, probably won't use that very often, so I'm going to put it at the bottom. Probably won't need this that often, also going to the bottom. But the mini first aid kit I'll put somewhere else. Belly. This is like a beach blanket thing. Oh! Straw. Okay, so my video cut off, so you won't get to see the last minute or so of me filling the backpack. Also, I dropped my glasses and they broke. But anyway, it's time to try the backpack on since it has been filled with all the stuff. Also, I was looking at pictures of backpacks and I guess the straps, this part is in the right spot, so I guess that's just how it's supposed to be. Yeah, it's definitely more comfortable than my last backpack because it's got these like little pads, it's like cushioning on the back, and these straps really help take some of the weight off of your back, so that's good. Before I go to any trails or anything, I'm just gonna walk around in my backyard, climb some stuff, maybe do some squats, see how it feels, moving around and everything. Ooh, adventure. Oh God. Whoa. Another cool feature I forgot about is this. It comes with a rain cover, so if you're hiking in the rain, you can cover your backpack so nothing gets wet. That is handy dandy. I used these bottom straps to add my T-Sec chair. Check out my review on that. Okay, I'm going to a park and I'm going to use my new backpack and see how it feels on a hike. There's going to be a lot of pain because my back hurts just from wearing it a little bit this morning. So, but you know what they say, no pain, no gain, right? Right, Harvey? Are you excited? We're going to the park. The park! We're going for a walk. Are you excited for the park? You want to have fun? My car is really toasty. Ugh, got the air conditioning on. It's that time of the year, people. We're going into the woods. I really want to climb down there, but I don't think I can do it. Onward. Wearing a backpack always makes me feel kind of like a turtle. And in this case, I have a really big turtle shell. Look, a little path. I wonder where it leads. Oh my god, look at all the litter. I hate it. Ooh, I love going through an archway. Whimsical. There's water over there. I want to get to it. Look, a clearing. This is another spot I could have parked, I guess. Camping? How do I get a permit? Okay. Look at all these rocks. You know I love rocks. Maybe I should test out my new filter straw. I'm scared. That's nice. I'm not sure, but I think I am in the 5 Mile woods. So, probably won't walk the 5 miles. I'll just go until I get tired. More water over here. Ow! Thorn. Pretty. That's gross. I recently stopped drinking alcohol. Instead, I'm getting drunk on life. Look at all this trash. It makes me so sad. Ugh, I wanna... You know, maybe I'll gather a group of people to do a cleanup or something. God, I hate this. Stupid litter bugs. I am starting to get a little bit toasty. There's multiple paths. I don't know which way to go. First I'm gonna go straight, because I wanna look at this water. Ow! Nature doesn't love me. Constantly hurt myself on it. Wow. Pretty. I'd love to get a kayak or something on that. I wonder where the permitted camping spots are. Gonna go across the stream. Oh, that looks real nasty. Don't drink that water. Even with the filter, I wouldn't drink it. I don't even know if I trust that filter. Sand. Like the beach. Dang it, Harvey, lift your paw. This leg got all wrapped. Harvey, lift your paw. Lift your paw. Harvey. Harvey, lift your paw. I know you're not supposed to take anything, but I'm gonna steal this rock. Because I like it, and I really want to paint rocks. So, I mean, look, there's a lot of them. I'm just gonna take a couple. This one. I like rocks. I'll put it in here. My rock pocket. My rocket. Again with the leggies. Harvey, you have to fix it. Lift your paw. That's nice. feel like maybe I could drink that water. Should I try? I wonder if I could jump across that. Probably shouldn't try. Which section of my backpack there is? I hope I don't cut my foot on anything. Maybe. Oh my god, cold. Cold feet. Cold feet. Mushy ground. Nice. I tied Harvey up with a stick. I'll be right back, Harvey. I'm just going over here for a sec. Do I want to set up a cozy spot here with my beach blanket? Soft. That's nice. That's all for the creek shenanigans. Now I'm gonna go climb a hill. I'm the king of the mountain. Look. Hands-free dog walking. A bridge. Let's go under it. I hope there's no one living under there. Hey. Kind of cool. I wonder where this trail leads. Mud! No! I know. What? Not a very good adventurer if I'm afraid of a little mud. Whatever. So much creek. This weather is great. I feel really good right now. Look at all that. Kind of want to go climb around there, but I'd probably hurt myself, so I won't. I like this. Word to the wise, don't forget to wear sunscreen like me. It's not very sunny today, but it's still important to wear sunscreen. Definitely one of the things I will be adding to my backpack because I don't currently have it in there. I have turned around and I am on my way back to my car. Okay, I'm back at my car. That was really fun. I feel really alive right now. It's the wonders of going for a walk, you know. I'm pretty impressed with that backpack. I mean, the material, the blue material looks and feels a little cheap, but it was pretty comfortable. It's got a lot of great functions. It's got a lot of pouches and places to put things and places to strap things. So I'm a satisfied customer. Now, of course, this is just one use. Who knows how it would be after a dozen uses or whatever. So I'll be using this backpack a lot, hopefully, and I'm sure eventually I'll do a more thorough review than this. I'm very excited for all the things I want to do. I want to go hiking in the mountains and, you know, maybe one day even go on an actual backpacking trip. Now, I don't know if it's big enough to fit everything you need to like go camping, you know, like a tent and sleeping pad, sleeping bag, but it's definitely good for, you know, a longer hike. And it's definitely a great thing to have in case there's ever an apocalypse, you know, had to add that. Well, that is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you had fun with this adventure. I know I did, and I can't wait for many more adventures that I will share with you guys. Well, have a magical day. Bye-bye.